Okay, so I did something again. But yeah, I got the RS3 Pro combo. I can't lie. I can't lie. It's a big step from reliable here. This is, I wouldn't even say reliable because this is not reliable. I'm not gonna lie. I'm sorry. Like, I'm gonna drop a review on this gimbal a little bit soon, like a little bit later. It's definitely coming up. This is the Ronin SC. I'm not gonna lie, this is not reliable. As you guys may have known, or if you've been following the channel, you guys know I use the Sony A1. It's my main camera. It's a heavy camera. It cannot fit on that gimbal. So that means I'm missing out on 4K 120 on a gimbal because I don't have a good enough gimbal. So boom, you know, and honestly, bro, let me tell you a story about, before I get into opening this, I know you guys want to see it. Before I get into opening this, I didn't even plan on getting this. I was going to get the RS2. I was settling for the RS2 because that's all I needed. Bro, my guy at the camera store, he's a great salesman, I'm not gonna lie. He's actually, I'm not, no, he's not. He's not. It's just not that hard to sell me. It's not, because I'm one of those type of people who's like, if I'm gonna spend the money, hey bro, might as well spend it on the best thing. That's me. That's literally me. I did it with the A1. When I went into that camera store, talking to the same guy, I went into the camera store about to buy the A7R. I was gonna get the A7R3. That is what I went into that store for. Why did I walk out with the A1? I went in that camera store this time for the RS2. Why do I walk out with the RS3 Pro combo? Not even just the RS3, RS3 Pro combo. It wasn't that much more for the Pro than the regular one. It's like $200 more, so I'm like, I might as well. I'm already spending what, 13? No, I'm sorry. It wasn't that much. It wasn't that much. I think I was already spending like, you know, what, 900? So I'm like, for $200 more, get the Pro. I'll never really have to worry about anything. And then the combo, you know, definitely gotta get that's a no-brainer. So I'm like, you know what? I might as well. With that being said, we might as well go ahead and get right into this unboxing. I'm trying to see if I want to bless y'all with an overhead shot. I low-key could. Can I? Okay. Well, this is this got weird. This definitely got weird. This angle is questioning. Bro, where's my knife? I bet. We're gonna go ahead and get right into this. I'm gonna try not to take up too much of y'all time. You feel what I'm saying? How fast is it gonna focus? Let me see. All right, let's go. Ooh. Okay, talk to me. Damn, yo, bro, this is heavy. Like, no joke, this is heavy. Oh, okay. It smells like. It smells like when I first bought my car. I can't lie. It smells like when I first stepped into my car, like for the first time, because it was a brand new car. It smells like when I first stepped into it. Okay. Oh my God. Now I will say, to my knowledge, the DJI RCS, the RS3 is definitely a lot smaller and doesn't weigh nowhere near as much. It makes sense for the fact that this is supposed to be able to carry a lot more weight. So I planned on putting my 70 to 200 on this. So I was just playing it safe for the most part. So that's why I was like, okay, I might as well just get the Pro, because I know that the Pro was meant for like more like bigger like cinema cameras. So, but you know, let's get into actually opening this. God damn, this is the heavy part right here. Whatever's over here is the heavy part. And that's crazy to say because I believe the actual gimbal is right here. Ooh, boy. Let me see what we're working with here. Damn. Oh my God, this just looks nice. It just feels nice, bro. So just the gimbal is on this part. So I feel like that's why this is the lighter area. Over here in this first spot, I believe we have all the cables. Yeah, 100%. These are all the cables. These are all the cables and whatnot. probably won't use this. I'll probably look up a video on what the hell I'm doing because I definitely don't know. Because like I said, I did not plan on getting this gimbal. So we got the gears for the autofocus, or for the, you know, you can do like focus tracking and all that stuff here. I'm gonna have to do a lot more research on all of this to figure out what the hell it is that I bought. Damn. Yo, this is, damn. Now this is huge. I'm not gonna lie. Pause on that. But bro, let's just real quick take a look at the plate. The plate, this is the plate for the RS3. I mean, this is the plate for the RC. This is the plate for the RS3, bro. Look at the comparison. Look at the what the fuck? This about right. Yeah, that's about right. Yo, that's crazy. Actually, nah, this definitely more like it. Don't play me. Say nah. I'm sorry. Okay, let me see what are in these pockets here. Okay. Ah, right. This is the Raven Eye. So this has the tracking that you can attach to the bottom of the gimbal. This goes to the bottom of the gimbal, and you can actually use your phone to, you feel me, track. Yeah, that's tough. Okay. This is making me mad. I wish I had a camera on my face. I'm about to set up my other camera. I had to go ahead and give y'all an actual two-person view. I feel me. I got two cameras. I might as well utilize this. You feel me? I felt bad not giving y'all. I know y'all like looking at my face. You feel me? So I go ahead. You know, I do what I do. So let's just pick up where we started. This has the Raven Eye, which allows you to pretty much set this up on the gimbal, and I'm pretty sure it allows you to track things wirelessly, like with your phone, and a couple other features as well. So this is gonna be super dope. Like a big step from the RC, bro. Literally a huge step from the RC. This is I'm pretty sure this is the focus wheel, or this connects to the focus wheel. Yeah, that's definitely what this is for. So that goes here. Now we can actually get into this second compartment. Accessories, more and more accessories. This is the handle that also connects to the main gimbal. So I believe it connects to, actually I think it connects to a part of the battery grip. So let's just actually set this out for right now. Let's try to put this together in a little bit. Let's see. So this is the little stand, the little bottom stand, which is pretty cool. Ronin S, cool. All right, because I'm gonna eventually put it together. You feel me? Because I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. So this is the battery. Slide that right in there. Let's see if it's charged. Of course not. I think that's pretty much it. Hold on. One more thing. So this is the part that connects to the side. You put your phone in here so you can track things with your phone. I'm actually super excited for this because that means I don't have to ever buy an external monitor when I'm filming something on my gimbal. I can just connect to my phone, which is, oh my God, convenient as hell. Because bro, no monitor, well, I mean, you can get a monitor that whatever, but our phones have 4K screens on them and they go up to 120 frames per second. So it's gonna have no problem being compatible with that. So this is perfect. That's one of the main things that sold me with the RS2. And I mean, obviously the RS3 would come with the same thing. So that's everything in this whole entire package. So let's just try to real quick set this up. Let's just see if we can put this together real quick. Just like a little bit, like nothing too extreme, but let's see if we can, you feel me? So Damon, let's use our brains. Okay. So let's just say boom, and let's just have me grab my phone. Oh, that's beautiful. It just openly extends just like that. Boom. So that's beautiful. Okay. Yo, bro, I'm not gonna lie, I'm so lost, but for the most part, bro, I think that's good. On that front, I believe that this untwists like this, and then yo, bro, this is like about to be the worst unboxing ever. I'm gonna have to do so much editing to this. So this could be set up like pretty much like this. So if I wanted to, okay, I like this. So if I wanted to do something, literally, instead of having to walk around like this, I could now, you feel me? And I could just have my phone like this. This is actually quite heavy already on my wrist. I'm not gonna lie, and bro, I work out, I'm not gonna lie. A little bit, you feel me? I do a little bit, but this is already quite heavy on my wrist. Hold on, let me, if I stand up. Okay, so if I stand up and I'm doing it at a low angle, it's actually not bad at all. But trying to have it like this, the best way to probably do it would be on my shoulder. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if this is like a suitable way to use this camera, but like the best way that I see myself using this is like this. You feel me?